दरवाजा बंद करो ना. Okay, let's start. Okay, we'll just get this one out of the way. Now, this picture somehow don't know why it has this appeared. Okay, let me try. Something with our server problem. Okay, let's move on. Now, the capacity, the number of persons in lifeboat are calculated there with the weights like passenger ship is 75, otherwise 82.5, all wearing life jackets, sitting and without any etc. etc. And based on that capacity is decided. So there is something to do with the weight also, and by falls, launched by falls. Okay, so it doesn't apply to free fall. Then this is important part. Each sitting position shall be clearly indicated in a lifeboat. That is what the semicircles you will always find in lifeboats. Okay, they are not to tamper with them. In very rare situation, you may be required to paint a boat. Very, very, very rare situation. In that case, you have to ensure that you don't miss track of this. But there will be sitting positions marked. Now, idea of lifeboat is survival craft. So people have to board quickly because you don't have time. Ticket batao. Okay, you are first. Okay, where is your ticket? You are not gonna ask something like that. So it has to have a rapid embarkation as well as rapid disembarkation. Both, because if you are getting rescued by somebody and you are using lifeboat to transit that between one point to other point, the way you got in quickly, you must get out quickly, and then you're going to abandon the boat. So, this is important here. Rapidly boarded, sorry, and rapid disembarkation. Now, this is 3 minutes interval. Means 3 minutes timing is given to say from the time you are given board 3 minutes, everybody should be inside the boat. Inside the boat, sitting. So these timings, if you remember good, because the worst case scenario you may be asked in Viva, but that also means that Viva is not going on well, or interview question. Now, these boarding ladders, because if somebody is in water and he has to get in the boat has got a sufficient freeboard. We have seen that. So he has to catch and he has to heave himself in, which is not easy. Okay, all of you will be able to do it. You are young, you're physically fit, it's fine. But sometimes you may have somebody who is injured, or you simply have people who do not have that sort of a strength for variety of reasons. So there is a small boarding ladder. Now don't worry about these figures here. So far as you know, there is a small ladder available to board lifeboat. Lifeboat shall be arranged so that helpless people can be brought on board from sea or stretchers. Means the width of the door through which you are entering the lifeboat should be sufficient to take the stretcher in, correct, and move around. Means you should be able to get the person in by stretcher. Then all the surfaces where people will walk must be anti-skid. Anti-skid can be paint, it can be some sort of design on the plating so that it becomes anti-skid or something, but it has to be there. Then you have got lifeboat buoyancy is they have got inherent buoyancy. That means I told you there are tanks built in, compartments which are filled with some sort of a foam. So They are watertight. You can't open them or something. You just know their existence. So that makes it inherently buoyant. Then, as usual, you're putting it in water, so it should not be affected by seawater, oil products, etc. etc. So, again, it will not be affected, and then even if all equipment when flooded and open to the sea means you are in boat, everybody is inside, equipment is inside, and for some reason roof is gone or something, all water is being flooded, still lifeboat must be afloat. Okay, that is where this inherently buoyant material is there. So no matter what happens, it will be always afloat. Then you have got freeboard and stability. There is a freeboard which you know. Okay, and then there is a stability criteria 50% GM value as this. So this is something like ship only. But you should know that lifeboat stability is pre-calculated, and then based on assumption that so many people at 82.5 kilos per person or 75, whatever it is, plus equipment, plus the life jacket is included. विजय मैं टेस्ट दे रही हूँ अगर दूध वाले आए तो दूध दे देना. दरवाजे no, never mind. I'm in middle class. Sorry. Okay. Now, then there is something requirement of the freeboard. Along with stability, there is also requirement of freeboard. And then this is more like a ship. I don't think you have studied it yet, but this is something like a ship that is we consider in damaged stability. So stability is well worked out. Propulsion, all boats must have engines. So there is compulsory today, mandatory. Now important part is the fuel flash point should be 43 degrees or less. Okay, not 43 degrees or more, not less than 43 degrees, because less than 43 degrees becomes difficult to handle with, and they become very sensitive, because you can have a temperatures of 37, 38 in hot climate, and it can be even 40. So then it will start evaporating and it will catch fire. That is the reason it has to be over 43 degrees. On ship anyway, everything is over 43. Then it can have manual starting system or automatic. If there is automatic, it is going to be run on what? So energy sources has to be there. Energy sources come in, so some requirements will come for energy sources. Like if it is a compressed air, then there is, but normally you will not have. Generally, it will be a battery. In that case, there is a requirement of how many times you should be able to start that, and also in what temperature. Okay, minus 15 degrees within 2 minutes, you should be able to start, because normally you'll be using gas oil or diesel oil or something. So, there is a requirement of how quickly it must start, at what temperature, and how many times it will start. How many times it will start, okay? The, then there is a speed requirement. You should manage at least 6 knots. At least 6 knots. These are important ones because they come for your MCQs. And 2 knots when towing a 25-person life raft. That means because there is more resistance and you're dragging something in water. Then fuel will be at least 24 hours of continuous use. 24 hours sailing is possible. 24 into 6, how much it makes? 24 into 6, huh? Sufficient distance to come from Mumbai to Pune. Okay, more than enough. Okay, and since there is a engine, you must also have instructions about starting and operating engine, which should be posted where you sit there, as a coxswain or the person in charge of boat. You have got on side how to utilize the engines. Instructions are provided. That is always there with all LSA, FFA equipments. Instructions will be provided always, and they will be there. So you can afford to forget it, and then you go and read it and do it. Lifeboat fittings. Now, this is something you all have done it. I'm not going to touch it because it is just including what must have rudder, tiller, and all. We'll be wasting our time. Okay. Main thing, there are drain valves also in lifeboats. That is because when you're in stored position, once you go in water, then you can't have drain water. Then water will come in. So then that gets blocked. So when not waterborne, the drain valves work. And this equipment list, you are supposed to know full, because somebody wants to know something, in Viva or your interview questions. Some questions will come because people remember something out of it, out of these 32 items here, or something more you can add. So what do you have? Do you have anything like this? Then you have to think and give. Quantities, you can go little bit up and down, okay, acceptable somewhere, but you must know what all is there in the boat. Certain quantities you must know. If you lose one knife, what will you do? There is one more knife. This is how it goes. Okay. I don't know what will be line of questioning in today's world. Okay. What markings are there? First important marking, capacity. Even though capacity really doesn't matter in emergency, because you have got reserve capacity, so that you don't leave somebody in a water saying that my capacity is 25 persons and I have got 25 persons on board, I can't take 26. No, you have to take the 26th also in, it's okay, but number of persons is always marked clearly. Capacity so much. And okay, on cargo ship it doesn't really matter, each side boat has got same capacity, so you have got enough surplus capacity. And free fall has got, you never have more people on board unless a rare condition may happen. Rare condition. You know what is a rare condition? You have got capacity of say 25 persons, right? 25% is your lifeboat capacity, and you happen to pick up a stowaway in some port. Now that becomes 26th. So it will become a very complicated issue, because if it is in a port, you will have to land that guy ashore one way or the other, because you can't sail with extra people. Somebody will have to get off. If you find him at sea, then you have got 26% on board. What are you going to do? You still, if you are abandoning ship, you can't leave him there to die. You have to take him in. Okay. Now these sorts of tricky questions come sometime in Viva or interview, to see how do you believe. Do you believe in this principle of human beings are important, their life is very important and all? Because pressure can be put like this. But remember, this sort of a situation comes, you can have that extra person also accommodated, because one way you can't leave somebody to die. Okay. Name and port of registry will be on each side of the bow in Roman alphabet. You cannot be writing in any other. That means normal English. Okay, normal English. Because this happens that a lot of languages get used, and then there has to be somewhere one common place where everybody should understand. That is why it is on the bow and each side, and capital block letter, block capitals, okay, of Roman alphabet. Means of identifying the ship, number of lifeboat mark which are visible from above. Why above? Your rescue may be by helicopters. Now boat numbers come in more because of passenger ships. They got large number of boats. The boat number will be there as well as the ship's name. So from helicopter they can judge which is there, from which one they have to rescue. Free fall boats is the improvement over things which are much safer but also a bit violent at the time of launching. So it's right and behind. Then there are additional things which we have already covered, that if you drop it, even though engine doesn't start, she will still clear the ship and go in a safe place so that if ship sinks it will not get sucked in the vortex. Then carrying capacity is there, width seat is at least something, and backrest and all the same sitting arrangement. So, but there you have got bucket seats, so you sit inside and strap yourself. If you don't strap yourself, you can get hurt very very badly. It has happened to people in the past when this boat started. When I was sailing, we heard the stories. Boats got accidentally launched. Few guys breaking ribs and all, hands and all. So anyway, this is important line, remember. When you drop it, it gathers enough velocity that it moves on its own and clears without needing engines. And it can be launched up to trim of 10 degrees and least 20 degrees because that is requirement. You know, you're abandoning ship because something is wrong with the ship. You can't expect ship to be perfectly normal and you are launching. So there is allowance made that. Now always remember one thing, solas, when we talk about trim, it is measured in degrees. List is also measured in degrees. Whereas in stability, you measure list healing in degrees and trim in meters. You convert that angle because generally it's very small angle for stability. So you measure in centimeters, meters, that is trim. But in SOLAS or any other official publication, it shall be always in degrees. Understood? Yes, no. Did you understand what I said about SOLAS? Are you in the class?
So,
Huh?
yes,
Understood?
sir.
Understood the difference,
Yes,
no?
sir.
Not to get confused. Okay. Now the calculations are done with full complement. You know, it has got center of gravity, but all the stability criteria is same. Now, sufficient strength is there, free fall boats. Why? Because loaded with 10, you're dropping it. It's like a drop test. So it has to have sufficient strength to hit the water at that angle, take the brunt of the impact, and move on. Now, testing is done 30% extra height. Okay. Then release systems, two independent activation system. In case one fails, the second one is there. Okay, and it has to operate from inside the boat. Why? Because the logical. No, who is going to stand there after launching? Where is he going to go? So it has to be totally inside. Okay. Then same thing happens with the side one boats also. Huh? You can launch from inside. You don't have to stand, just keep one man there to lift the brake and launch you. It can be done from inside only. But two independent activation system, because in case one gets jammed, and it has got a special color so that it indicates this is the system, this is the one, don't play around. Now 200% of normal load, okay, is allowed for. Adequately protect accidental premature use means there is a safety pin. You need two steps to launch it. First, you will have to remove safety pin so you can't launch it accidentally. So safety arrangement will be there. Always there. Huh? On all the important thing, there is a safety arrangement. It is like computers. Before you delete something very important, it computer asks you once, "Are you sure?" So same way we have got an arrangement here. Now, system is the release system. How do you test it? Because you want to know it is working, right? And every time you start testing, you'll be launching the boat. That will be another big issue. It will cause accidents and so on. So, to test the release system without launching of the boat, arrangement is there. And if somebody wants to ask you questions on free fall boat, this is a very good question. How will you test launching mechanism? Hmm? So, even if you tell them that there is a testing arrangement without launching the boat, the guy understands that you know something. But if you know it, better. Okay? Because the third year guys practicals, they were asked things, how do you test EPUB, how do you test SAT? Very regularly this question was asked during their practicals, IMU practical. Testing, because testing has to be done as a routine part of maintenance. Okay. Factor of safety 6 means same SWL what we use in ropes. Hmm? Factor of 6. In addition, this is additional thing on the certificates, means you have got the fully enclosed side launching boats, there is a certificate. On top of that, the contents of that certificate, these 3 points get added up: free fall certification height, launching ramp length, that length of the ramp, and ramp angle. Three things will be added to complete the certificate for free fall boat. That means free fall boat has got more requirements than the fully enclosed live boats. Clear? Yes, no? Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Any questions? Bolo, any questions on live boat? Why everybody is silent? Any questions,
Yes,
Arya?
sir.
Jitendra?
No, sir.
Okay, good. Arya, you have any questions? Hmm?
No, sir.
Very good. Advait? Hmm. Advait, any questions?
No, sir.
No. Very good. So anybody else? Adit? Asif? They are not in the class only. Imran? Suddenly microphones only are going off. My voice has got power. Asar, how come you are in this class? You are in right class. Then the others are in wrong class. What is it? Okay, never mind. Hmm. Any
हेलो
question?
सर
हाँ बोल. हाँ आसार.
सर रिपीट करो सर नेट नहीं चल रहा मेरा
नेट नहीं चल रहा है. ओके ओके.
सर अभी आया रिपीट करो सर क्या बोला आपने लास्ट
नहीं नहीं. I wanted to ask you. You have any questions? Did you understand what I talked today?
यस सर
Okay. See, remember these things more in principally, in theoretical manner. It's all logical. If you have got this must be there now along with it. Like if you think about a car must have a steering wheel, car must have brakes, car must have wheels, car must have cooling system for engine, car may have air conditioning or may not. That can be option, but engine is not option in a car. Correct? If there is a engine, what comes with it? Bharati आएंगे ना, you know Bharati ना, wedding. So Bharatis are what? Then lubricating system, cooling system, like that, or the heat, how much it's hot, you should know. So like these things get added up. Same way logic is to be used everywhere in LSA FFA especially, and you will make up a story when you don't know the answer. Got it, Abdullah? Abdullah, are you there? Ah, okay, good. You were supposed to get me that special biryani masala, no? Lucknowi biryani masala. What happened? Sir, COVID tha, not allowed to go out. Never mind. Never mind. I'm joking. Most of the things you can order on Amazon or something or the other, or if you search around, you always get it. What happens in during this lockdown? Everybody had tried stunts with cooking, and most of the people must have improved anyway because it's not that complex. And these days, of course, is much easier because you got ready-made things available. So cooking is very straightforward affair today. You know basic skills, you are okay. Then you have to just add and present it nicely, and then everybody is happy. Nobody complains, especially if you serve food with beer, wines, and all. Nobody complains. Never mind what it is. Hmm? So, should we call it a day now? Because I think enough dose.
यस सर
Huh? Yes. No. What do you want? You want me to call it a day, or you have got a question?
यस सर
Call it a day. हाँ, say that way, no? Because yes, sir, बोलेगा.